I would like to discuss about mathematics reasoning. So let's see. State whether the following sentence is a statement or non-statement. 30 is a prime number. True or false? True or false? You can answer me. True or false? Alright, the answer is false. But you don't write false. The question is asking you is a statement or not. It is a statement. Because you can tell the statement is it true or false. So it is a statement because you can tell the truth of the statement can be verified. It's a false statement, right? So this is the answer. For B, write down the contrapositive of the following implication. Hence, state whether the contrapositive is true or false. Okay, contrapositive meaning that we have to converse, then we have to negate, right? So that is the statement that we must bring to in front, and this one, and change the place, right? Okay, after that we have to negate. We have to add the not to make it to change the truth of the statement, right? So if P is not, here we'll add a not and even number, then P is not divisible or cannot be divided exactly by 2, right? Okay, we write the answer. Okay, let's write the answer for A first. The answer for A is a statement. So where is the answer space? Okay, later we will write at the answer space. Now we discuss first, right? So for this one we will write if we will follow this one. If P is not an even number, then P is not divisible by 2, right? Okay, let's discuss the C. The C, okay, write conclusion to complete the following argument. So let's see. All positive integers are greater than 0. Okay, before that we have to answer this. Hence, state whether the contrapositive is true or false. If P is not, okay, let's write down. If P is not an even number, right? We have to add a not, and then P is not divisible by 2. Okay, let's think about the word not an even number. Example 7. We have 7. 7 is not an even. Then 7 is not divisible by 2. It's true, right? It sounds like true. It is true. Okay? So you have to think using the number. Okay, let's do C. Okay, we have the pattern. All positive integer are greater than 0. 7 is the positive integer. So I'm going to cut the positive integer, So this one is a balance, right? Or you have to cancel out. So 7 is, this one cancel. So the conclusion is 7 is greater than 0. That's how you do. It's simple, right? It's simple. It's easy. You just cancel out the or, cancel out the one which are the same, cancel out, okay? Then the balance, you just copy. Always start from balance 2 to balance 1. Okay, settle. Based on the information below, construct a deductive inference for the value of the exterior angle of a regular pentagon. Pentagon is n equal to 5, isn't it? So for this question is very easy. You just substitute the n equal to 5 and you find the angle is 72 degrees. That's it. That is very simple, alright? So we will discuss the part E. Now, question for part E. The diagram below shows the first three patterns of the sequence. Pattern one triangle for first term, two triangle for second term, three triangle for the third term. And then for the first one, there is no circle. This is one circle. This is two circle. That is how you study the pattern triangle 1, 2, 3. So make a general conclusion by induction to represent the pattern of triangular shape based on the number of the circle shape n. So that means if the circle here, okay, we have a circle, we have the, okay, let's see, we have the circle, then we have what is remain unchanged based on the number of circle shape. If 0 circle shape, we have one triangle. If one circle shape, this is 1, we have 1 plus 1, which is 2 triangle. This is 1 triangle. By induction to represent pattern of triangular. Pattern of triangular. This is a pattern. This is a pattern of triangular, right? This is number of circle shape. Number of circle shape. Okay. The pink one is number of circle shape. The triangular here 2. Okay. So let's see. Let's do that. We have triangular, and then we have the circle, and we want to know the relationship is plus 1. So if you have one triangle, that means 0 circle plus 1. The plus 1 is remain unchanged for every term. You notice that this plus 1 is there. Plus 1 plus 1. Okay, then for the second one, we have 2 triangle, right? We have 2 triangle. We have 2 triangle, and then we have 1 circle plus the 1 is fixed, right? So we have 2, confirm. For the 3, we have 3 triangle, and the circle we have 2, right? So 2 plus 1. Okay, so we can say that if we have 1, 2, 3, then here will be 0. We can see the pattern is like 0, 1, 2, and the plus 1 is keep on the same for every term, right? So we want to write a general conclusion. So what I say is plus 1 there. This is changed, we will use an n. So then we will say if n is start from 0, 0, 1, 2, and 3 dot. Let me write here. So n plus 1, and then n is equal to 0, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3 dot. Right, that is the conclusion that we make based on the pattern of triangular and the circle. Right, then for the next one, we are asking to sketch the fourth pattern. Alright, the fourth pattern. So let's do it here. We can see the triangle keep on increase. Okay, so let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4. And the circle we have how many? The circle we have 1, 2, 3. This is the pattern for number 4. Alright, that's all about the maths reasoning. It's quite easy. So that's all my sharing on how to solve the section B, mathematical reasoning. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day. Right statement for the first question. and then if P is not an even number, okay, comma, then THEN P cannot be divisible by 2. Divisible cannot be cannot, we have to follow exactly, cannot be divided exactly, you cannot change the words, by 2, always refer to the question, okay, cannot be divided exactly by 2, follow the question. And then for the C, just now our answer is true. For the D, we have 7 is greater than 0. And then for the E, we have 360 divided by 5, which is 72 degree. And then for the last part, we are asking to write the n plus 1, n is equal to 0, 1, 2 with a 3 dot. And then we are asking to write the fourth term, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 triangular shape, and we have 3 circle shape. That's all the answer about question number 12. Let's